What is up, guys? My name is Red Wolf Gaming, and welcome to Slime Rancher 2. Now, if you guys have played Slime Rancher before, you guys would know how fun this game is. And I haven't played the second one in a while, so I decided it would be best to start fresh and start over. So after I set up the game, I will be right back. Alright, I think this is good enough. Let's start the game. After a long day of slime ranching, Beatrix LeBeau was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sun set across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock with nothing but a mysterious letter. You have explored the far, far range, from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the furthest reaches of the perilous glass desert. But there are worlds yet uncharted. Beatrix LeBeau, Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you are ready for a new adventure. Beatrix excitedly boarded the boat, and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually, she saw an island unlike anything on the far, far range. Mountains, trees, and grasses, all an array of colors that danced around and moved like a dream. As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was equipped with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to wrangle slimes, to start a farm, and build gadgets. And so, a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. Alrighty. That's how we do things. Alright, let's get to it. I don't really need tutorials, honestly. Since I already know how to make pinks, I already know everything about this. Everything about Slime Rancher since I played the first one. Oops. Man, this is a lot smoother than Slime Rancher 1, I swear. Alright, let's get going. Rainbow fields, shifting colors like a dream, fading just as quickly. But there's more pink slimes. Come here, little guys. I need y'all anyways. Ooh, veggies. I can feed them too. Alright, I think that's enough for now. Let's bring them back. Alrighty. There you go, guys. Your new home. Uh-oh. Oh my god, it's a little chick. So cute. We're gonna need to find another carrot. Oh, there's more carrots. There you go, should be enough. Alrighty, eat up, y'all. Money, 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 money. Give me those plorts. Oop. Okay, that's all the plorts we... Oh, I accidentally sucked up another slime. Well, time to go sell them. Alrighty. Only made 300 bucks, but that's alright. I wonder... Oh, we can get another Coral. Nice. I'm gonna go exploring and see what other... Let's see what other slimes we can find. Whoa. Are those rabbits? Yeah, they're rabbits. Con slimes. That's a cute name, though. Diet their diet is veggies. Okay. I should probably be collecting a couple of these little guys. I'm gonna keep the numbers even. 5 in one, 5 in the other. Nope. Bye-bye. Launched. Access. Accessing GG log. Well, here we go. Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place, I still remember being in awe of these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream, and I guess in a way it was, because it ended too much soon. It ended much too soon, I mean. I need to talk. I need to learn to read. But alright, let's get back to the base so I can put these guys away. There's a path down here. Where's it go? Rooster? Oh, Roostro. Oh, does that lead back up here? I never actually took this way. Yeah, it does. Huh. Neat. Alright, time to sell. Time to sell these plorts and see what they're worth. Oh yeah, those are worth a little more. There. Oops. I just shot a carrot. Oh wait. Still on carrots. Damn it. Oh jeez. Oh yeah, it said I got a call too. Hold up. Hello? Hello? Beatrix, do you read me? Testing, testing. Perhaps you were lost at sea, taken away by that mysterious boat never to be. Oops, nope, just forgot to turn the display on. Nice seeing your face again, Beatrix. I missed you greatly, my dear friend. And while I'm quite excited for you to partake in a new adventure, I already have data that might complicate things. Last night, I received a message from some sort of artificial intelligence program. It's written in code, but not one I recognize. I'm in the process of analyzing it. But I am certain that this message was sent from where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So to recap, a mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island, and I receive a mysterious code from said mysterious island. It all seems quite curious. Well, I've got work to do, and you best get to exploring. Oh, I almost forgot. Take this home portal. It should make the early stages of your journey easier. Take care, Beatrix. We'll be in touch. Oh. That's cool. Alrighty, I think that's good for now, but I'm gonna go out exploring. Man, this game's so beautiful. I love the vibrant colors. I'm going this way, cause... Whoa. Okay. Huh. I think I know what that is, the map thing, right? Yep. Yes! Water lettuce. Okay, where to go next? Oh. It's up here. Oh, hello. Hi. That's a pretty big Gordo. I know these guys love water lettuces. Yep. These little guys can probably eat a lot of it. I'm just looking for as many water lettuces as I can. I was so in over my head when I first started here. I remember hauling Jellystone back to the conservatory by hand because I was so excited. Breathless and sweating, I was going about everything all wrong, but I was happy. There's little time now, so I'll need these refinery links if I'm going to be efficient. This time I'm going to do it right. I'm trying to look for the water lettuce. Oh my, this map is so confusing, I'm getting lost. I'm gonna go find that Gordo and feed him. There you go, big fella. Damn. How much food does this guy take? Oh wait, no. These are fruits. Damn it, Tars. Get. I didn't realize they would get this bad. Fuck bastards. Yeah, you know what? Oh. Looks like I found this. Okay. I'm just gonna go back to base and sell all this stuff. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention. At like 3 o'clock, I'm gonna be streaming. It's gonna be a different game than this, but it's one I've already streamed, and I'm on day 2 of it when I stream it. So yeah, make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. Alright, everything's sold. Got 400 coins. And you know what I'm gonna do? Yep, garden. Now, I think I'm gonna fucking go in here and skip to the morning, so I'll be back. Alright, it is morning. Alright. Let's go find some water lettuce, because let's go find some water lettuce, because I'm gonna start growing that stuff. Alrighty. I think... Gold slime! Gold slime! Gold slime! Gold slime! Gold slime! Oh wait, no, that's a lucky slime. That sounded like a gold for a second, but no, I was dumb. That's a lucky slime. Well, what's through here? Oh no. Is there anything here at all? Water lettuce. I'll be back when I find some. Well, I didn't find any water lettuce, but I died. Well, what do you know? Beatrix LeBeau off on another adventure and didn't think to take her good pal, sometimes rival and forever mentor, Mochi Miles. Seriously, B, next time you go running off to dangerous, uncharted territory, could you at least give me a heads up? I like to be there for you in case you need me. To help collect all those valuable resources that seem to be scattered all over the island. What? You think I wasn't going to do a little recon of my own? What good are surveillance satellites if they can't snoop on stuff? Anyway, be careful out there. This island kind of gives me a weird vibe, so I'm going to keep poking around. Oh, and since I know you're starting from scratch out there, take this refinery link. Should make things easier for you. I'll just put it on your tab. Later, Tater. That's crazy. Later, Tater. But it's fucking late. Alright. Gonna sleep. Alrighty. Morning once again. Okay, you're not following the rules. Into the water. I'm gonna try to find some food for these guys. Oh, I opened this and got a hydro turret. The defensive cannon that will automatically target tar and blast them with water. Nice. Alrighty. Yay, just unlocked more of the map. Thank God. I've been looking around for trying to find water lettuce, but holy Jesus. Ooh, what's this? Oh. Damn. Well, that sucks. Oh, man. I just need water lettuce, that's it. I just want to grow it for my little guys. Damn, even the water lettuce here is growing still. Whoa. Okay. I'm back here, so the water lettuce back here should be a little bit growing. It should be growing a little bit by now. Yep, water lettuce. Thank God. Now let's take this back to the base and get it growing. Alright, first we gotta feed these guys. Oh wow. Wow, you're a jerk. Get in the water. Oh, don't worry, I'm growing it. There. Now. Alright, time to collect the quartz. 2. Now everybody's happy. Alright, let's sell all these. Ooh, 916, that's amazing. I wonder if I can, yeah. Ooh, nutrient soil. Scarce slime. Let's see what the cheapest, honestly, cheapest thing is the scarce slime, but yep, yield the maximum harvest, fuck yes. Alrighty. Sell that. And now, let's go to sleep. Alright, it's morning, and I think that's where I'm gonna end off this video. Because this has been going on for a while. So, if you guys like this video and want to see more Slime Rancher 2, then make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And as always, this is Red Wolf Gaming signing off. See you later, everybody.